All right, hello everybody. My name is Kata and I am a certified personal trainer and group fitness instructor. And today we are going to cover some ways to roll out your feet. So I prefer to use a yoga tune-up ball. This is just what I prefer. You can also use a tennis ball or even a racket ball. I like these because they're solid. They come in a kit of 2. But if you have a tennis ball or you have a racquetball, that is absolutely a great item that you can use as well. So use what you have. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set the ball to the side. And I'm just going to have you stand with your feet hip width apart. And I want you to very carefully just bend over and reach for the floor. And I just want you to notice how far you can reach. And I want you to notice if you feel if one side is tighter than the other or if they feel about the same, because we're going to do some footwork and we're going to do this again and see how it feels. So let's go ahead and take that ball and pick a foot. And we're just going to start by placing the ball under the arch of the foot. We're going to drop our heel and we're going to try to stand tall. So we want to stand so that our hips are as level as we can. Now, that may mean there's a lot of pressure on your foot and that might not feel the best. So adjust it as necessary. You can also do this sitting. I prefer it standing. And now we're just going to think about rolling from the inside all the way to the outside. So we're kind of scrubbing the bottom of our foot. And again, one of the reasons I like the yoga tune-up balls is because it's a little squishier, but they're solid and they kind of tend to hold up better than tennis balls. But rolling side to side, going from inside all the way to the outside. Now you're going to roll it back a little bit so that it is kind of in the V where the ball of your foot is. So it's just, there's kind of a little V there. And you're just going to crunch and then lift. So crunch and spread, crunch and spread. So lift and lower those toes like you're trying to grab the ball. You can even move back a little bit and try to grab. Good, and now we're going to take it and we're going to place it under the heel. And we're going to, again, like we're wearing stilettos. So again, we're going to have it under our heel, toes on the ground. Try to keep your feet and your hips as even as possible. So try to stand normally. We're just going to do a little bit of heel work, a little pressure. Good. And now we're going to take the ball and we're going to roll. And we're going to roll our plantar fascia. So we're going to roll from the heel to the big toe. And we're going to go from heel all the way to the base of each toe and aim for each of the 5 toes. So try to get it all the way across. So in the arch, in the middle, I have to keep adjusting because it's a ball, so it rolls a little bit, right? Forward and back. Good. And the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to stand on the ball, use a little bit of support if you need to, and adjust. And you're going to take that foot on the other side and you're just going to kind of give it the top of your foot a little massage. So you can hold on to a table and do what feels best. Just getting it a little massage. It may turn a little red. Don't cause a lot of pain or pressure. Good. All right. And remove the ball from the foot. And now we're going to do our test again. So stand feet hip width apart. And I want you to go down and I want you to notice how your legs feel. I want to know if the leg that we just did the massage on the foot feels looser than the other leg. And it's very possible that it does. So they say everything starts from the ground up and they are not kidding. So feel free to replay this video because if you've done one leg, you need to do the other one as well. So grab your ball, run through the video on the other foot. You can do this whenever you feel a little bit of stress or tension or you're feeling a little bit tight. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.